Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Bitgate. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, it's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. So what we're going to do first of all is, to do so we're gonna have to open up our Bitgate app first, so we can copy the address for us to do the transaction from the Tonkeeper. We're gonna go to the address section and we're gonna simply go ahead and copy our particular address. Make sure that you have verified on Bitgate for you to get the further access to options. Once you have copied your address and got the receiving address, you're going to go to your Tonkeeper wallet right over here. We're going to go back and go to the section of send. Now once we're in the send section, we're going to go ahead and paste our address over there, and then once we have pasted the address, we're going to go ahead and add in the amount that you would like to send. It will automatically be selected as a Toncoin over here. Once you have done that, tap on the comment section, add in comment, which is an optional. If you want, then you can, otherwise leave it, and tap on continue at the bottom. Once you have done that, your transaction will be proceeded and you are good to go. You can check it out later on Bitget as well, whether you have received or not, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.